This dense body, as we all have, cannot and will not take us through the higher worlds, as in the case when we sleep. When we sleep, this dense body does not take us to the higher worlds. In sleep, the spirit withdraws without us exercising our will. The spirit automatically withdraws by itself. We don't exercise our will. The body remains on the bed as the spirit naturally enters the spiritual worlds with other bodies, especially the desire body and the mental body. Now, in lecture number 6, we said that the soul is an extract from the right and efficient use of the material bodies. That is what we said. The soul is an extract. Please take note. When enough essence of good deeds have been accumulated by the individual, a body is formed. And that body is the spiritual body or soul body. And it has soul powers. So when the individual has done enough good to a certain extent, the soul aspect transforms into a body, and the individual can consciously enter and function in the higher spiritual worlds. Apostle Paul informs us that flesh and blood cannot inherit the kingdom of God. He states that we have a spiritual body. If you read 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse 44 and 45, it is clearly stated, and that we shall meet the Lord in the air when he comes. This physical body cannot do that, but the soul body or the spiritual body does that.